Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to make some banana muffins today. I have some very ripe, overripe bananas. So what I want to do is, I was going to make banana bread, but then I thought, I'm kind of bored of having banana bread. So I'm going to do something different. So we're going to make the banana muffins. So let's get rid of this peel. And put this ripe, overripe banana right inside my blender. I noticed that when you're making banana bread or like this, banana muffins, anything to do with banana, when they're overly ripe like this, oh my God, it is the best. They are so sweet. So I tend to not put all the sugar that is called in the recipe because of that. Okay. So let's put all our wet ingredients in here first. So we got the banana. We're gonna put in half a cup. Actually, it's a little bit more than half a cup. 3/4 cup of melted butter. Okay, give this a rinse. Okay, then we're going to put 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm not quite going to put in the 3/4 cup. We don't need it. That's about 2/3. Okay. So we got that. Okay, then we need 2 teaspoons vanilla, okay, there, you can see better, right? I hope so. Okay, and then we need 2 eggs at room temperature. Okay. Let's whisk that together. In the meantime, I already got the muffin tray with the little paper cups ready. And the oven is at 350. So, while that's happening, let's take this walnuts and give them a little bang. Just to break them up a bit. Walnuts go good with the banana. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Now we're going to put in all our dry ingredients. So, that's 1. And that's 2. So 2 cups of flour, and let me get all this other stuff ready. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 of nutmeg. And a pinch of salt. Okay, let's blend that up. That smells so good. So we don't want to overmix. Okay, perfect. Like I said, we don't want to overmix it. Okay. So, let's get this out of the way and bring my muffin tray. Beautiful. The walnuts, we're going to mix that in here. Oh, I can't see. This is what you want to look like. Okay, that's the consistency that you want. And I put the walnuts in there. So now we're gonna take that and we're going to spoon 3/4. 3/4 cup. I'm gonna have lots of batter still left, and I don't think I have another another tray, another muffin tray. I have to check. I wonder. Okay. Oh. Okay. Beautiful. Ready to go. Okay. Ready for the oven. 25 to 30 minutes at 350. See you in very shortly. They came out amazing. Amazing. And I had too much batter, so I made 6 of them in this other type of muffin holder. But aren't they cute? They came out so good, and they're really tasty. Nice and moist. Look at that. I had to take a few bites. Like I said, they came out amazing, delicious. I already had to try one. The taste is fantastic. And with the walnuts, I'm glad that I put the walnuts because it really goes good with the banana. Okay? Enjoy. I hope you make them soon so you can tell me if you like them or not. We'll talk soon. Have a good one.